What's going on, everyone? It's Luke here again, bringing you one quick video because I've already brought out one today and one yesterday. It's basically if you are having trouble basically switching to Transferwise, yeah. So say that you've had your default bank account sat there for, I don't know, a year and a half, whatever, 2 years even, maybe even longer, and now you decide to move over to Transferwise to make a little bit extra money because their exchange rates are better, yeah. Now you may be running into an issue, or if you are running into an issue and it's more recent, it may be based around the same sort of problem, which I'm going to show you a solution for only for this one way, and you may be able to like build on that if you still have issues, yeah, because I just know what I had to do. And so when you come to set up, basically to change your banks over, you've got to go to settings, and then it's like account info, which is the top option, and obviously you're going to click bank account information here. Now I will be blocking out quite a lot of this information, and it's all irrelevant. You only have to see about 3 bits, and the video will be about 4 minutes long, I hope. So here you can see this basically account here is ending 721 is based in Germany, and basically that account is for all my European, as you can see here, assigned marketplace is all Europe, yeah. But obviously originally it was under my UK. You won't be able to see because I've got the account name there, so you won't be able to see it. But it says Germany up here, ending in this, and it has basically my UK account ending in that, which is, so this account here even in UK was against all of the European marketplaces here as well. But obviously the exchange rate is crap and you lose money. Yeah, so really you want to be making more because of the way, just by the, you don't, obviously all your costs, all of your like profit, your turnover is basically not based on what you actually get back off of Amazon, which is obvious. It's based on, you have a choice. You can actually do it by averages. So HMRC basically give you an exchange rate for a set month, and whatever amount of money that comes out in euros for that month has to be converted at that exchange rate to give you the pound version. So you can add it all up with your pound version and actually come up with a value of your turnover for the year. For example, you've got a limited company or whatever. Yeah. So because it's a fixed, well, I'm going off the average. You can do it per transaction, but then you're going to have to really delve into each individual withdrawal, how much the exchange rate was, and go like that. And you might as well just do it this way, I feel, because you're actually gaining money by taking the taking the average from HMRC website, for example. This has got limited company, so it might be different for sole traders, all that sort of thing. Yeah. So you then click replace deposit method. It gives you the options. You just select one, whatever you want to do. Replace, yeah. Now what it does is, because it doesn't want people to be coming on hacking this, yeah, if you get what I'm trying to say. So look, this is all going to be blocked out. It doesn't really need you to see half of this. It's just showing you. Basically just gives you, you are changing the country. Select a deposit method you wish to replace. So you can add a new deposit method if you want, or you can just swap them around, basically, if you've already got one saved, yeah. I obviously wanted to add a new one because Transferwise is based in Germany, so it's basically a Germany. You have to add a German bank. All the details are there on their website, like where they're based and all that sort of thing. Yeah, it's just obviously the IBAN and whatever numbers that are basically the account numbers. But what it says at the bottom is identify your bank. So I have to verify. Well, you wouldn't have seen. So down here, it basically says, please verify your IBAN for this account. Now this account would be, let's say it's your GBP account, because it's been that account, all your accounts for the GBP account since you started Amazon, but now you've decided to switch. Okay, so the IBAN, you start whacking it in, for me it came up wrong. Now straight away I thought, why is it wrong? And I realised straight away. Luckily I read a letter about a year and a half before, like for about 4 seconds, but all I remember is it basically said change your IBAN, and I just binned it or something. You know, those letters. Because I thought, oh, you know what, Amazon, they're not smart. Well, they're not going to know that. They don't really care as well. Like, things change. They just like do what they want, don't they? So they don't really care if things change. So basically, this is what I'm going to show you. So this is my, all this will be blocked out. Okay, apart from I will actually just drag down like a little bit and show you. So this little bit here, international bank account number, that's literally just like your sort code and account number with a couple of things. It says here GB06HBUK, which is like the beginning reference so that if you're paying me money into my bank, this is what you would have to put in. And the beginning bit says obviously HB UK is like HSBC, I think. GB Great Britain, yeah, 06, whatever that means. Then obviously the account number, sort code. This is on like a more recent thing. Now most people will go and add in this IBAN. They'll go, yeah, that's the IBAN. Boom, that is my IBAN because it is. Put it in. But actually, if you jump over to this one, you'll see here. Look at this. It's not GB06 HSBC or whatever it was at the beginning. It's now GB66 MIDL. Yeah, whatever that's meant to stand for. And then it's the sort code and account number. Yeah, so the IBAN that you would have put in when you registered on your Amazon account would not have been the same. Amazon probably didn't even care to ask or find out, or doesn't even bother them. Probably even know. So then, yeah. So the one they need is your old one, and it depends when you did it because I can't remember the dates that it swapped around. But it's basically like an email, a letter that you would have got from your bank saying, if you're on an old something or other, it's basically to do with like money laundering or something. I don't know. I could barely read it. It's not that interesting. And you have to do that. So all you got to do is just grab your old one if you have this issue. And this is I don't remember. I start on my account back here, and that is it. You bang it on in here, the new one, copy and paste it, and it will accept it, and it will let you create. Basically, you got to add your bank against all the different marketplaces: Italy, Spain, France, Germany, and whatever else there is, and it will work. Anyway, and that was the video. So quick and easy. It's probably the fastest one I've ever done. I know it's really, I spoke really fast and get all done really quickly. It's just because I don't want to waste my, I've got a lot to do, and this was like a little extra I thought I'd throw in just because I saw someone had a little struggle with it. And it might not be the reason. There might be various reasons why it doesn't work. It might even be that the bank location country, for example, they're putting Italy, France, they're actually choosing the same country, but it's actually not. You're going to have to use the bank account that that bank is based in, even though it is euros, if you get what I mean. Anyway, leave the video there. Hopefully at least one person got some help from that within the next 6 to 12 months, possibly. Anyway,